everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a quick and easy vegan fried noodles that should be a vegetarian favorite. Let's get started. Prepare 150 grams of handmade thick noodles, 40 grams of mung bean sprouts, remove the ends, 40 grams of Chinese chives, cut into sections, about 4 centimeters long. Grate carrot into shreds, about 30 grams. The choice of vegetables is not limited to these. You can use what you have on hand. 3 cloves of garlic, chopped. 1 scallion, about 7 grams, cut into small sections. Look at the seasonings. 3 tablespoons of oil for stir frying, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add the noodles, and cook for 7 minutes. Let the noodles go through the cold water. Then drain. Heat a wok over high heat. Add oil. When the oil is hot, add chopped garlic, scallion sections. Stir fry briefly until aromatic. Add noodles, carrot, Chinese chives, mung bean sprouts. Stir fry for some seconds. Add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, salt, pepper powder. Stir fry until the vegetables are tender, and combine well. Turn off the heat. Delicious vegan fried noodles are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.